In this video, I'll show you how to install your email signature in Outlook on your Mac. To get started, open your signature in My Signature and click Copy Main Signature. Now open Outlook app on your Mac and click New Email. In the toolbar, click Signature and select Manage Signatures. Click the plus icon to add a new signature. Click Edit icon to rename it to Main Signature, and paste your signature into the box using Command+V. Under Set Default Signatures, select Main Signature for 4 new messages. Next, head back to My Signature, switch to the Reply or Forward tab, and click Copy Reply or Forward Signature. Back in Outlook, click the plus icon again, name this one Reply Signature, paste it in, and set for replies or forwards to Reply Signature. Then, close the settings window. Click New Email to test it out. Your main signature will automatically load. You can also easily switch to your reply signature from the toolbar drop-down menu. And you're all set!